Hello students, see today we are going to see the new lesson from your English textbook, that is one Sunday. Now what you all do on Sunday? There is a holiday for your school on Sunday, but nowadays you are every day at home due to some problems, you all know that. But I think Sunday is the one day that you all like, isn't it? Because your papa is at home, mommy is at home if she's working, then that day you all be very relaxed. You get up late, then you had the breakfast, your favorite breakfast, your mama made first for you all. Then what more you do? You plan something, na? On this Sunday I'm going to go to picnic with the family, or sometimes you want to see the movie, otherwise you want to go to your grandma's house, something you do the plan. So I think Sunday, everybody likes the Sunday, isn't it? So here also there is one lesson on this Sunday, one Sunday, and what the boy is doing we are going to see in this lesson. One Sunday. Now see in the picture, you can see page number 90 from your textbook, and the boy, see, Rohan reads storybooks on Sunday and Tina plays with Bruno on Sunday. She plays with her dog on Sunday, and one boy, he reads storybook on Sunday. See, it was Sunday. The boys played in the sun. Only Tom sat alone. Now it was Sunday, and you all know Sunday everybody likes to play. Then even same way here also the boys were playing, but only the Tom, what he was doing? He sat alone. He was sitting alone. Aunt Polly had told Tom to paint the fence. Now Tom's aunt, her name is Polly. What she has done? She has told him to paint the fence. What you all know what is the meaning of fence? Fence means the boundary of your house. Means if sometimes it is of some trees you plant there, small plants, and you make the boundary, it is surrounding of your house. Otherwise, sometimes it is made up of wood, and sometimes the wires are put for that to do the protection of your house, or it is the border of your house, which is if you are having a big garden, the border is made. That is, it sometimes it can be of the iron poles also. Otherwise, the wooden wood you can make. Otherwise, some plants, some small trees, the different shapes. These all are the boundaries or the border of your house or your garden. Here, see in the picture also you can see here. This is the fence of that Tom. See here. Can you see here? Yes. Then that his aunt, she told him that you should paint this fence. She gave him bucket full of paint and a long brush. What she did for painting, now she gave him a brush and the bucket full of paint. Tom took the bucket and brush and looked at the fence sadly, because even Tom wanted to play. That was a Sunday, so he also wanted to enjoy with his friends. But what Aunt Polly, she has given him work, so he was looking very sadly at the fence, that he had to paint that full that fence. So he was very sad. It was long and high, means that fence were very long and they were high. In height also they were too high. But his aunt has given him the work, so he has to do it. He picked up the brush and painted the small part of fence. What he did? He took the brush from which the aunt has given him, and he started painting. He painted the small part. Then he said to himself, I must think of way to get out of this. What is saying? Now he has painted that half in small part, and he is saying now I should do something to get out of this. Means he don't want to paint. He don't want to paint. He want to go to play with his friends. As Tom thought, see I am reading now page number 91. As Tom thought this, he saw Ben Rogers. One of his friends came. Ben ran and jumped with an apple in his hand. What is this? He was having his friend. His name was Ben Rogers. He came to see that what Tom is doing, and he jumped near the Tom, and he was having an apple in his hand. Tom was a very clever boy. Tom was clever. Tom was thinking that I should come out of this. I should not. He was not able to, or he was not like to paint that fence. So he was thinking of that. How should I come out of this? And suddenly his friend with an apple in his hand came to his garden there. So what he did, he was very clever. He thought of an idea. Now he thought that my friend has come. Now I'll do some I should not paint this fence. He picked up the brush and started his work again. He picked the brush and he started painting that fence. Ben looked at Tom in surprise. He asked, Tom, what are you doing? The boy did. Then this, his friend Ben, he said him. He came to him, he asked him, what are you doing? Tom did not answer. He pretended to be busy. This Tom, he saw his friend is coming, but he purposely he didn't answer him that what he's doing. And he pretended to be busy. Pretended means what? Doing the acting of as if he was very busy doing the painting that fence. So he ignored him. He didn't pay attention to his friend and he didn't give any answer and he was going on painting the fence. Pretended means he was showing that as if he is very busy. Ben spoke again. I am going for a swim. But you cannot join me, you are working. What his friend Ben told him? That I am going for swimming now and you can't join me because you are working now, you are painting the fence. Tom answered angrily. Tom was, first of all, he don't want to paint that fence. So he was angry and so angrily he told his friend, painting the fence is so much fun. I don't want to go anywhere. What now he is showing? He is showing that he is very enjoying that painting. So what he said his friend, working? This is not a work. I am enjoying painting the fence. So because he don't want to show his friend that he is also getting angry and he is angry, he is painting. So he is showing that it is very fun. I am having much more fun in painting this fence. So it is not a work. With the fun I am doing this work. Ben really thought painting the fence was fun. He said, Tom, please let me paint the fence. He said, what his friend he heard that it is so fun. We are having fun. We enjoy painting. And so he is saying Tom that yes, really is it fun? Is it that we have fun in painting the fence? Tom said, no Ben, I cannot let you paint the fence. I love doing it. What his friend is telling him that is it that we are having fun in painting the fence? Then please give me the brush. Even I will start painting. Let me see how much fun I am having in painting. But Tom, what he did, he showed that he is very much busy and he is having fun. So he is saying his friend, no, I am going to paint myself because I am having fun in this. Ben thought about the fun and said again, please Tom, I am your best friend. He saw Tom and looked as apple. He said, Tom, take this apple as a gift. Now can I paint the fence? Now what his friend is saying that please give me the brush that even I paint. Let me even have the fun. But Tom is not ready to give him. So what he's saying that I am having an apple in my hand. I will give you this apple as a gift. But please let me paint and see. Let me even also have the fun in painting the fence. So Tom thought of for some time and said, Tom now he started thinking that because he only has he want that he should not paint. He was not interested in painting the fence. So he purposely he was saying that it is very fun. So Ben, what he thought, let us also have fun in painting the fence. And then he said him that I am giving you one apple in my hand it is, and please let me paint. Tom thought for some time and said, well Ben, you are a friend. I give you this brush. Are you happy now? Thus Tom, first only he don't want to paint and he said, yes, give me that apple, you are a good friend of mine. So take this brush and you can paint. Tom sat in the shade and ate the apple. Now Tom, what he did? He was very happy. He don't want to paint the fence. So what he did? He took the apple and he went down off one tree and he was sitting and eating the apple. Soon two boys walked by. More two of his friends came in the garden. They saw Ben at the work. They saw that their friend Ben is painting. He is at work. He is painting the fence. And Tom, what he was doing? Tom was sitting in the down of the tree and eating the apple. He was enjoying because he don't want to paint the fence. He looked happy. Now they all also wanted to paint the fence. Now that two friends also they were eager very that Hare is so nice that Ben is having the fun in painting. Why not we also go and paint the fence? They asked Tom, can we paint the fence? they went and asked that two boys, the two friends, they went and asked Tom that even can we also paint the fence, because Ben is having so much fun in painting the fence. So even can we both also go and paint the fence? Then what he's saying? Tom said, you see, painting the fence is so much fun. Now this Tom was having an idea, because he don't want to paint that fence which is very long and which is very high. So he got an idea, and now he has given the Ben the brush to paint. Now he thought that even these two friends are asking him to paint. So what he's saying then, it is very much fun to paint the fence. I am waiting for Ben to give me the brush. He is saying it is very much fun, and I am waiting that when the Ben will give me back the brush and I will start painting. The boys told Tom that they had some marbles and kites. What they told? The two friends told. Now what the Ben has given? What Ben gave to Tom? Yes, apple. He has given one apple to him, and Tom gave brush to paint. Now these two friends, what they are saying? That we are also having marble and kite. They wanted to give these things to Tom. Now they both were having the marble, so they thought even he will also give the Tom this as a gift, marble and kite. So again he will also allow us to paint the fence. Tom thought for a long time and asked Ben to give the brush to one of the boys. So Tom was very clever boy. So what he did? He said that yes, he thought for a long time, and he told that Ben, now you stop and give the brush to this boy, one of the boy from them both. One by one the boys painted the fence. Now Tom was very clever boy, so what he did? He painted one by one, he gave the boys to paint the fence, and what he was sitting relaxed in the shade of the tree, eating the apple and having even the marbles and kite with him. And what he did, he asked the boys one by one to paint the fence. And even both the boys, his friends, they enjoyed painting that, because they thought that painting is very fun. Painting the fence is they are having the fun. So they started painting the fence. Soon the fence was white and clean, and Tom had an apple, many marbles and a kite. Tom was very clever boy, so what he did, whole of the fence was painted. He had took the help of the friends. He asked them to paint the fence. He told them it is very fun. We are having fun to paint the fence. So even the friends also, they agreed, and they painted whole of the fence. And what they gave him, moreover, they worked for him, and they gave him marbles, kite and apple. Aunt Polly came out of the house. She came, and Aunt Polly, she has given work to the Tom. So she came out of the house. She looked at the fence and said, she looked at the fence was fully painted white color, and it was very clean and beautiful it was looking. So she said that, well, the fence is white and clean. So she was also very happy that she has given the Tom the work on Sunday, but Tom has completed the whole work. He has painted full fence, and it was looking very white and this clean and white. You are a good boy, Tom. She said, you are a very good boy. You have done this work so neatly and clean, and without anybody's help. She didn't know that his friends had painted. So she's saying that you had painted so nicely. You are a very good boy. You have done my work. You have worked hard. You have done the hard work. You have painted whole this long and high fence. You had colored with white. So good works you have done, and hard work you have done. You are a very good boy. She gave Tom an apple as a reward. She gave one apple as a reward, means as a gift to the prize to the Tom. Tom was happy now. He ran to play with his friends. Now Tom was very happy. He ran to his friends to play, because Tom has completed his work. The aunt also was very happy, and even the Tom has completed the work with his help of his friend. And he don't want to paint this, but he has done that. So even the aunt was happy, and even the Tom was very happy, because he got to play with his friends back. Understood this lesson? Now this you have to complete the question answers given in the PDF in your notebooks.